Welcome class 11th students. Students, as you are promoted or you may say you are passed in class 10th. So just today in maths classes, we will start the very first chapter, that is sets. So in your syllabus, sets is a very important chapter. You already studied the natural number set or whole number set or a set of integers or a set of real numbers in class 10th. So here in detail we will discuss about sets. So the very first question that arises from the name of this chapter, that is set, the question is, what is sets? So students, just see the definition of sets. So what is sets? Sets is a well-defined collection of a well-defined collection of objects. Okay. Well-defined means it must be clear. For example, number of days in a week. So number of days in a week are well defined. Everybody knows that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday are the 7 days in a week. So just you will write in a set. So set always that is shown by the capital letter. Suppose you are writing here capital X or capital Y or capital Z or capital A or capital B or C. Suppose we want to write the number of days in a week. So just you take set A, that will be defined as number of days in a week. So set A you will write in the capital letter. So these are the braces sign, as you may see here. These are the braces sign. In the braces sign you will write the name of the days. So first day in a week, that is Sunday. You will write here Sunday, then Monday. So in this manner you will write up to Saturday. Okay students, so sets always will be written in the capital letter, as you may see here, and this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday up to Saturday, these are called the elements. You must write Sunday, that this is the sign of belongs to, set A, this is the sign of belongs to. Okay students, on the other hand we are taking the another set. Let set A contains 5 natural numbers 1 2 3 4 5. So you must write in this manner 1 2 3 4 and 5. So you may see here this 2 is called the element. So 1 2 3 4 5, these are called the elements. So you must see here 2. So 2 belongs to set A. You must write in this way. But you may see here 6 does not exist. So you must write 6 does not belongs to set A. Is the sign of does not belong to. Or you may write here, you must write does not belong to. Okay students, now the question is, what is not a set? Set कौन सा नहीं होता है? So according to the definition, a well defined collection of object is known as a set. जो आपके पास वेल डिफाइंड कलेक्शन नहीं होगा, दैट इज नॉट ए सेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सपोज you are saying, just I am taking one question from your NCERT book, 11 best cricketer in world, 11 best cricketer in India. इंडिया की बात कर लेते हैं. सो डिफरेंट पीपल, डिफरेंट चॉइसेस. सभी लोगों की अलग अलग ओपिनियन इसमें आ जाती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई it is not well defined. Suppose in your class, some student, they have the different opinion of 11 best cricketer. The other student, he or she will speak the another 11 best cricketer in India. So that's why it is not well defined. Okay students, now after that we will just discuss about roster and set builder form. Suppose, for example, you are taking this set, that is, we first discuss about set builder form. So here we are taking a set A in such a way that x such that x is an integer. This is the sign of such that. X such that x is an integer and x is greater or equal to, that is -3. It is -3 students, and x is less than 7. Okay, so it is a statement as written in the set builder form. So just you will convert it into the roster form. जैसे हमने a का वैल्यू 1 2 3 4 5 लिखा था, that is called the roster form. आपको इस set builder form को भी roster form में convert करना है. तो आप किस तरह से करेंगे? For this purpose you must know integers. So as you may see here, x is greater or equal to -3. तो -3 भी इंटीजर आपका लिया जाएगा. You must write -3, -2, 1, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. क्योंकि यहाँ पे x is less than 7 है, तो इसलिए आप इसको 6 तक ही लिखेंगे. You will not include 7, you must exclude 7, क्योंकि यहाँ पे x is less than 7 है students. Okay, now we will discuss the another part. Students, now we will start exercise 1.1. The first question of this exercise 1.1, if you will see in your NCERT book, it is written, which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. आपको ये पता लगाना है कि कौन सा आपके पास स्टेटमेंट जो है सेट है और कौन सा नहीं है, और उसका जस्टिफिकेशन भी आपको देना है. So the first question I have written on the board, as you may see here, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. आपको एक साल में उन सभी मंथ्स के नाम लिखने हैं जो J से स्टार्ट होते हैं. सो इट इज वेल डिफाइंड, क्योंकि J से आपके पास जनवरी स्टार्ट होता है, जुलाई स्टार्ट होता है, जून स्टार्ट होता है. सो देयर आर ओनली 3 मंथ्स that start from the letter J. So it is well defined. You will just write x. x आपने एक सेट मान लिया है, it is capital X. ब्रेसेस साइन लगाएंगे. Then you will write January, June and July. So these are 3 months starting with the letter J. Now, on the other hand, see the second part, the collection of 10 most talented writer of India. Student, it is well defined. So, if you will think, it is not well defined. Why? The collection of 10 most talented writer. There are so many writers in India, they are most talented. So, we can't just identify which is better than whom. So that's why it is not a set, because here it is not well defined. So you will write, it is not a set, it is not a set, okay, because you will write here, I am writing here, it is not a set, just you will write. Why? Because 10 most talented writer of India is not well defined. So in this manner you will write the answer. So just I am speaking the other parts. The third part, the team of 11 best cricketer batsmen in the world. So it is also not well defined. So it is not a set. The collection of all boys in your class. So it is well defined. The collection of all boys in your class. तो आपकी क्लास में बॉयज भी हैं, गर्ल्स भी हैं, तो आप नंबर ऑफ बॉयज को काउंट कर सकते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज वेल डिफाइंड. द फिफ्थ पार्ट, द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल नेचुरल नंबर लेस देन, that is less than, I think it is 11 written, so just you may write less than 100, I think it is written. So 1 to 99 आप उसको लिख सकते हैं. So it is well defined, it is a set. So in this manner you may solve the first question. Okay, now come to the second question. Now students, just I already written this question, that is question number 2. So in this question, यहाँ पे जो आपके पास स्पेस दिया गया है, इसमें आपको अप्रोप्रिएट साइन लगाना है बिलोंग्स टू और डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू का. एज यू हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड अबाउट सेट ए, so it contains 6 elements 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. so it is a finite set. इसको finite set भी आप बोल सकते हैं क्योंकि इसमें finite number of elements हैं. तो फर्स्ट आपके पास जो क्वेश्चन है इसमें लिखा हुआ है 5, फिर स्पेस दिया हुआ है, फिर लिखा है ए. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा साइन आना चाहिए? दैट विल बी बिलोंग्स टू, क्योंकि 5 सेट ए का एक एलिमेंट है. सो यू विल राइट इन दिस वे, इट इज बिलोंग्स टू. Okay students, now the second part, that is 8. 8 does not belong to set A. इस तरह से आप belongs to का साइन लगाएंगे और उसको कट कर देंगे. X does not belongs to set A. So it is very simple. Similarly 0, 0 does not belong to set A. इस तरह से 0 does not belong to set A. 4 belong to set A. 4 यहाँ पे exist कर रहा है, एलिमेंट है set A का. So you will write in this way. 4 belong to set A in the similar way. 2 क्या belong कर रहा है? Yes, 2 हमारे पास exist करता है एक. So you will write 2 belongs to set A. In the similar way 10 belong करता है, 10 यहाँ पे कहीं नहीं है, it does not exist in this set A. So you will write X does not belong to set A. So in this manner this question number 2 is solved. Now see the other questions. Now students, see the third question. So third question, the statement is given, whatsoever the instruction is given, लिखा है write the following sets in roster form. So in this question a set builder form is given, as previously I taught you. It is set builder form. It is x, this is the sign of such that x is an integer and x is greater or equal to, that is 3, and x is less than 7. So just converting it into the roster form. So you must write x is greater or equal to, I think it is -3. So -3 से बड़ा जो पहला इंटीजर होता है that is -2. Then after -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will exclude this 7 because x is less than 7. Similarly, come to the second part. It is set B, and it is written in set builder form: x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So students, you very well know natural number starts from 1. So just you may write, that is set B. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will exclude 6 because it is written less than 6. So in this manner you may do rest of the part. As one more part I am taking here, that is the fifth part. In the fifth part it is written, students, as you may see in your book, all the students must purchase their NCERT books, so it is very convenient to solve the question or understand the question. So if you will see the fifth part, it is given in the form of set E. That is written, a set of all letters in the word trigonometry. A set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Okay students, now it is a set builder form. Now students convert it into the roster form. So as you may see here, T is repeating 2 times, so you will write only 1 time. It is T. In the similar way, R is repeating 2 times, you must write. So in this manner, you must write. I think Y is remaining, just you will write Y. So TRIGONMEY. So these are the alphabet as you have written in the form of elements, so it is called roster form. Now students, see the fourth question. In the fourth question we have to write in set builder form. So roster form is written here. इस क्वेश्चन में उल्टा है पिछले क्वेश्चन से, एज यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको रोस्टर फॉर्म दिया गया है, उसको आपको कन्वर्ट करना है सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म. सो व्हाट विल बी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस? यू विल राइट a is equal to x such that x is equal to thrice of n. मैंने लिख दिया है x is equal to 3 times of n. What is n? Where n belongs to n a set of natural number. यहाँ पे n जो है नेचुरल नंबर है, तो आप जानती हैं n का वैल्यू 1 से स्टार्ट होता है. सो जस्ट where n is equal to, where n is less than or equal to 4, you must write n का वैल्यू लेस देन और इक्वल टू 4 इसलिए क्योंकि n का वैल्यू 1 2 3 4 रखेंगे, देन यू मस्ट राइट, यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे 3 1 जा 3, then you will put 2 3 2 just 6, as you may see here. You may put 3, so 3 3 ja 9, as you may see here, and the last element, that is 4, you must put here. So if you are putting 4, so 4 3 ja 12. So it is the roster form of the given set builder form. In the same manner you may do the other parts.